Hello everyone, welcome to this M5Stack tutorial video. Today, we'll show you how to quickly develop with the ChainTof sensor in UiFlow2. The ChainTof is a laser ranging sensor node from the Chain series, commonly used in educational and maker projects, as well as smart interactive installations. First, open your web browser and go to the UiFlow2 official website. In the function extension area, click on Chain. Drag the 2F module onto the bus 1 bus. Then click Confirm to load the module. In our demo, we use the ChainTof to measure the distance between the device and an approaching object.